What's up, y'all? Today I'm bringing you a video about 3 different lighting setups I've developed for the Mavic Mini. So this is one I've talked about before, the leg mounts for the Flytron strobe on Cree lights. The lightest, smallest, and most efficient strobe lights that I've found actually visible during the day. With the 4 leg lights and mounts, you're looking at adding about 23 grams to the total weight, which is about half the weight of the propeller guards. I saw about a 23-minute flight time utilizing these lights. The main thing I've been using it for though is to try to capture some awesome sunrise and sunset time lapses and hyperlapses like this one that I did with a Mavic 2 Pro. But the weather's just been crappy and the best I can get is a bunch of clouds moving while it gets lighter or darker. So you can easily slip these on and off the front legs. They're made to not block the antenna here. And personally, I've flown about 2,000 feet, which is about as far as I can fly and maintain visual line of sight. I've not had an issue with video or RC dropping out, but I only fly within visual line of sight, so your mileage may vary. Now, the back mounts, they slip on like this. So you go down to the taper end, put this end over first, and then you slide up the taper and it's secure. So again, top part first, slips down like that, and then slides up. And now they're not going anywhere. The red and the green make it easier to determine orientation at a distance. Typically red for port, which is the left side of the vessel, green for starboard, which is the right side of the vessel. All 4 are utilizing the Flytron strobe on Cree, which is also used in my bottom strobe mount, but I am developing them for the Flytron standalone, which brings me to my next light, and that's version 2 of my bottom strobe mount. So this mount does not block any ventilation holes. It's secure and it's all around a better mount. I'll show you how it slips on. Bam. It's pretty easy. Again, it is secure. It's not going anywhere. And it pops on and off, real easy. It's not blocking any of the ventilation holes. So, all around better mount. So this brings me to my last item, which is a new bottom mount I've developed for the Firehouse Tech ARC II strobe and LED. This thing is the brightest strobe and LED you can currently get on the market at this weight. It's only 7.2 grams. It uses 4 LEDs. It has multiple modes, different strobe modes, and a floodlight mode that will be amazing for light ping. Weighs far less than a Lume Cube, although it's not as bright, but it weighs only 9.2 grams mounted versus the Lume Cube's 99 grams plus the weight of a mount. As you can see, it slips on very easily, just like the previous one, and is secure. It's secure, it's strong enough, it's lightweight. Like I said, the mount itself only weighs 1.9 grams, bringing the total in at 9.2 grams. Now, warning, this goes without saying. Adding anything to the Mavic Mini will increase the weight beyond the 250 gram limit for registration. So use any accessories on the Mini legally. Always consult your local laws and understand you are always responsible for safe flight. So be sure everything is snug and secure before flying. And that's it this week. If you guys liked what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Thanks.